So this is for my friends that need some help with the new Weebly page. You're gonna click in login, and this is where you're going to type in your login. It's okay that it just says that. You log in. It will then come up with a page that says your name, and for some reason it's showing me Preston's. So this is Preston's account. It'll come up with actually my site, and you just have to name it. So you'll click that, and this way we can edit it. At the top is where it will say my site, and you will delete that and change it to your name. You will add a page once this loads. You will add a page, and on here you will hit this plus button. This adds a page. You will click blog page, so we can add that to our site. You just leave it as blog. So then this will now post, and you hit done, and it will now show that blog. When you want to post a new blog, all you have to do is hit new post. Click it. You scroll down. You type in the date, and you can add text. This is how you add the text. You can add a picture. You can search for pictures on the computer, on the internet, things like that. I can search, say, I want to search for a dog. I can search for a dog and post a picture of a dog. Things like that. Then once you finish, you hit post, and then you're done. And then to publish your site, you just hit publish, and it will automatically publish, and it shows you, and you've already got your name on there. So just wanted to make sure that you all were aware on how to make sure that your blog posts are up and running on Weebly.